Alright, Jam. What is up? I think I've just about recovered from Christmas. Where's the web dev? Here we go. Hello. Welcome back. I hope everyone had a great Christmas. I took a few days off of this and now I'm struggling to build up some momentum to get cracking again, which is my usual state. I'm going to build here because it's been a while. So over the holidays I've not streamed, but I've made some tweaks, mostly to content. Anything that's boring and is not going to be that engaging on stream, so like copy updates and all that sort of stuff. I've just been cracking on with that. So hopefully, do a yarn dev. It's probably not going to show anything. There we go. Wow. Hopefully that's not an omen for how today's stream is going to go. Where did we leave it? We currently have a home screen with a little splash of my site, my current position, and my current employer. We have a very basic dark and light theme toggle. We've got some social links. This and this currently do the same thing. We're going to look into that. I have a blog page here. I added in any of the missing ones. So I've now got a few in here, which is good. And I also have some personal ones as well. So we've got some images and stuff here as well. And yeah, that should be good. And finally, I also have my CV. Most of the stuff is here and most of it is stored in this data directory where I'm actually just pulling in from here. And the reason being is it means I can use it elsewhere on the site. For example, on the home page, my position, my employer, that sort of thing. I have a few things left that I want to do on this before I consider it complete. And I was thinking about this just after I woke up. I'm going to open up Notion. I've got a personal blog. I'm also going to create a new personal blog. Today. Oh my god, is it the 30th today? And I want this, and my slug is going to be 8%. So let's open this up. Now I want to add a to-do list. And this is where I'm going to store what I want to achieve before I consider this shipped abroad. Right? Before I shift everything over from, currently I'm deployed here, AJAMES.app. So everything up until this point is currently on here, and my personal website at the moment is AJAMES.DEV. So the idea being, we're going to put this to-do list together, and once that's complete, I'm going to port whatever is here over and replace this. So what I need to do? First thing is, these are the same. So there's a couple of things I can do. Can I just get rid of this logo? Can get rid of the home, or I can make these slightly different. So I think I actually want to make this an about section. And this about section will give me a sort of blurb about who I am on the main screen. And it will probably be similar, if not identical, to my profile on my CV. A very nice way to like share data between the two of them. Give a bit of consistency. I don't always want that to be there. I actually love the simplicity of this. It kind of reminds me of the Momentum Chrome extension. You know, it's just nice and simple. And I always go for a sort of minimal interface wherever possible. So one thing I was thinking is changing home to about, and then we'll have some sort of navigational state between the two. And I'll probably just do a query param to switch between a short form version and a long form version. So it's over here. So refactor logo and home nav. So that's one, right? These aren't in the order that I'm going to do it. It's just more of a checklist that I'll see. The other thing I need to do is, let's move along here. Is there anything else on here? Short, long. I'm going to just bracket styling as one thing. Yeah, so that's actually style. Style website. Style website. Let's incorporate theming into that. So we'll style and theme the website. And it's actually a big chunk. Style, theme. Oh, it's looking pretty good actually. We're going to end up spending 2 hours on a to-do list. I'm going to create 2 to-do lists and let's create a second heading, and this is going to be styles. And this is just going to I'm actually going to put each of the pages in here, right? Because I could just do styles, but it's going to take me ages to chalk it off. Whereas I'm probably going to style them individually to a sentence. I'm building everything out here, and this will give me a general feel for what I need. And that will give me base styles. So it'll give me, I'm going to choose a font soon, I'm going to get my spacing sorted, color palette, that sort of thing. That'll be base styles. So let's start with base styles. And that will incorporate colors, fonts, spacing, and something else. That'll do for now. Right. Good old-fashioned etc. Then I'm going to style the pages individually. Home and about, CV. Let's do them in order. Blog. I'm going to put these as separate. Just there's going to be CV. And actually, I want to make a YouTube one. I've not made that page yet, so create YouTube. That's one of the main things I've got left to do. So I've got an about section, a YouTube section. I want to... Oh, there's actually a bug. These are all showing as cover images. And the reason that that is showing like that is because the Notion API returns the images, but it has an expiration. So the images expire after an hour, for whatever reason. I've not managed to dig into that yet. However, I did a bit of light research, and that's relatively easy to fix. So I need to replace log images with non-expiring variants. I actually noted down, let's see if I can find it. Do I have a scratch pad? I'm always a bit nervous about showing my Notion here. There's a lot of nonsense here. There we go. Yeah, I found this. I've not actually given this a full read, but it will just nudge me in the right direction. Let's go back to personal. Yeah, let's just keep that. And because this is impersonal. Let's do productivity. There we go. Just give it a tag. Replace blog images with non-expiring variants. I need to add this is going to include print styles. I'm not bothered about this media query on any other page, but I would like it so if I'm on the CV page and I go to print, I want this to look better. The idea being if someone wanted it and they want to print it off or save it as a PDF, everything should be good here. So that's one thing. Download CV. CV. So currently, this does nothing. That 404's, and that's just a button. I think that actually console logs at the minute. There we go. Implement CV. Ooh, a 502. Ah, so here's the images that have expired. That's fine. No. So I've got the create YouTube, refactor, the logo and the home nav, replace blog images, add download and print CV functionality, add appropriate metadata, improve SEO with page metadata. I'm actually going to move that into its own section because that can be deceptively complicated. Let's call it SEO. All right, and let's do one for each of the pages. / about. Blog post, TV, YouTube. I don't actually want to use the word YouTube because I want it to be a non-brand streaming, learning, something. I'm also going to add, in fact, I'm going to do it underneath styles. I don't know what animations I'm going to put in yet, if any. I'm just going to add an animation section. Let's just make that an H2, just purely for consistency. Logic, styles, animations, SEO should be good. And then deployment, domain transfer, that sort of thing. But we can leave that for now. I really just want to focus on the logic just now. I'm going to build out the logic, then I'm going to style it appropriately, then I'm going to animate it, and then I'm going to add SEO metadata and things like that. Now this is here though, should be able to save that. If I now cancel this, do a build, should now have a new markdown post. There we go. Now for the AJAMES.DEV, run this locally again. I'm going to go back to the blog page, hit the personal. Should now have, oh, that's still in professional. Here we go. So now at least I've got some accountability on the site, where if we read this, let's see how the to-do looks. Yeah, here we go. That's cool. Oh, I've just thought of another thing. Don't know why I get so excited there. And what's it called? Oh. This is why I need to write things down. Pretty sure I liked it. It was Josh. I definitely liked it. You got from me, Josh. That's cool. I still need to read this, but I want this. That was the longest possible way to get to this. I wonder if that appears in this guy's marketing funnel. So I want this for the blog post titles because I hate having widow words on the bottom. Yeah, so I'm just gonna grab this. Say add. I think this will actually do more than blog post titles. Maybe I'll find other use cases, but that's definitely where I want to add it. Just gonna add a link here to remind me in future. Oh, did that work? There we go. Back to that. Just close that because that's prod. Okay. Today, what am I gonna do today? Let's go with, I think I want to create this page because the rest of it's sort of like refactoring existing content, whereas this doesn't exist at all. So let's do that. Where are we at? Just gonna close this down for now. Here we have pages. I'm gonna call this learning. Maybe. Streaming. 2 hours on naming. Content. What's Kenzie Dodd say? Does he have a YouTube section? Courses, Discord chat. Shops. Who else streams regularly? Regularly. Jessica codes. Any streaming? Speaking workshop. Yeah, that's not for me. Timeline, Twitter. Jason, oh no, I always get his name wrong. Langsdorff? Post newsletter. Teaching? Maybe teaching? That sound effect was hilarious. Who knows? New file, learning. I'm going to be cheeky and I'm going to grab... It's going to be similar to... it's probably going to be closer to the blog layout. Let's return the layout. Text out 1, learning. And what do I want to show on this? First thing I want to show is text. Let's do a VStack. It's a section. I can change this, but I just want to kind of code in the dark and mentally map out what I want to build here. Right? So I want to text title 2 here. Latest video. And I want a div. Second, sorry. And then I want let's actually just grab this because I'm lazy. Want to display the latest video, and then I want to display, I don't need to grab all of the videos, but I'd like to show my playlists. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Display playlist. I basically just want 2 sections here. I now go to the components, let's go to the navigation, and let's add another fragment in here. Be here. Next pages require the component to the default export. Yep. Cool. So, layout is going to be as expected. Probably have a parent VStack here. That? Okay. Well, it's a VStack, so we want to align items. Why am I not getting autocomplete on there? Weird. Oh, it's... Interesting. So they don't need these for the time being. Give it some space to breathe. Nice. Job's done. That should be enough for now. So let's look at the YouTube API. Was a good place to start. I think I've been here before. I've also just realized. Actually squeeze some more browser in here. Ooh. Beautiful. Okay, add YouTube functionality to your app. Let's do this. Get started. Need a Google account, which I have. Create a project in the Google Developers Console and obtain auth credentials. Okay. I'm just going to move this off screen in case it generates a secret key. So I'm just going to agree to this. I'm not going to agree to email updates. Okay, create a project. Let's do this. Create project. Project name is going to be AJAMES.DEV. It's not going to be .dev because that's illegal apparently. Okay, so I've created a project. Create credentials, let's create some credentials. And I imagine we want to create an API key. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go into... This is a pain in the ass. I wish there was like a streamer mode version of this. I am going to flick myself into be right back. You should still be able to hear me. And all I'm doing now is just adding my key to my env local file. Let's see. YouTube token. What's this? Save this. I'm going to quickly just jump onto Vercel, and then I'm just going to add this while I'm here. Hold on. Yeah, it'd be cool if I could just blur it out. Sadly not. Okay. Just need to authenticate. Oh, where is it deploy settings? It's got to be settings, right? Yeah. Environment variables. I'm just gonna get rid of that LinkedIn because it's useless. And then YouTube token. Close that. Let's just close that. And I think I should be able to come back. Hello. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, I think we're good here. Okay. This is asking me to just quickly configure a consent screen. This is going to be internal. This looks fine, so I'm just going to bring this back in. App name. AJAMES.DEV. I think this is dash. What's this? App logo. Ooh, do I have an app logo? Yeah, let's use that. There we go. Don't need any of these. Authorized domains, developer contact information. Add or remove scopes. I think I'm okay here. Summary. Yeah, cool. Let's just keep that. I think I need this. It's an internal one. I can change that later. I'm gonna stay with that credential screen because I'm paranoid. This is what I need to do. I know this. I feel like I need to enable. Where was it? YouTube Data API. Enabled APIs page. In the list of APIs, make sure the status is on for YouTube Data API version 3. Search for YouTube version 3 and enable. Okay, looking good so far. If your application will use any API methods that require authorization, read the authentication guide. It shouldn't do because I just want to get right. I just want to get my own channels. This is where I had problems with LinkedIn, right? I just want to get my own information. I don't want to modify it in any way. Let's see if YouTube makes that easier than LinkedIn. Select a client library to simplify it. Okay, what have we got? Several ways to use the JavaScript client library to make API requests. So the client, similar to Notion, and then initializes the library with the API key. I shouldn't need this, and the API discovery documents. The following screen shows 2 common ways. Okay, I'm going to come back to this. Familiarize your site with the core concepts of the JSON data format. And here's what I want. It's what I actually want here. I don't think I want that because I'm actually using my site's branding for my YouTube channel branding, so it's a bit of a circular dependency. There's no need for the channel banner. Channel section. Yeah, so here we go, latest uploads. Maybe I'll need channel section, and then I grab the latest video. That would be cool. I also want this. I don't want the items, I just want the actual playlists. And I want a CTA on the page, which is just a big subscribe button. Obviously, I wonder if this will let me do that. Notify... Maybe that. Supported operations. I just want to get all of them. Okay. Ah, nice. So yeah, you can't even get the channel banner, you can only insert a new one. That's cool. So I want to get channel. That'll probably be used for metadata, but I could probably have a description on the page. What else did I want? Get playlist. List, playlist, yeah, that seems fine. List video. What can't I get? The banner, thumbnails, and a watermark. Yeah, that's fine. I think I'm going to be okay here. I can't imagine there's going to be too much traffic to my personal website. Partial resources. That's cool. I'm probably going to need this where I only want to get my own content. How to use the fields parameter, sample partial requests. So I'm basically just constructing the URL, passing the key, snippet, content details, statistics, and status. And then that's going to give me all in this back. Okay, so my components here. I'm going to go to lib. I've got a Notion one here. I'm going to create a YouTube. DS here. Similar to this, where I've got like create post, get database, get posts. I'm going to create a couple of helper functions here. So we're going to do get latest video. Oh man, my touch typing skills are appalling. So we'll get latest video here. Get playlists. Get channel information. I think that may be all I need. Right. So we'll just create some helper functions for the moment. Is it just a fetch? Optimizing performance using gzip. Modifies parts. Okay, so is that showing everything? Several resources. Cool. Retrieves a video resource. So v3/videos. So how do you know where How do I know which endpoint I want to hit? Let's get playlists first. Retrieve the current user's playlists. Call the playlists.list method to retrieve the currently authenticated user's playlist. API response, the ID rules. I suppose I just kind of want to grab them all, although let's grab all for now, right? Retrieving the channel ID calls the channels.list method to retrieve the channel ID associated with a username, and the API response, the ID. Let's copy this. The response is we're just going to do a get fetch. You didn't like that. Let's try this. And let's just abstract this out into a const. Let's do const YouTube key equals process.m YouTube token. Let's just go. Just simplifies that a little bit. Did I do that for here? No, it's just creating the. Yeah, it's fine. This will now become. I've completely forgot what that's called. What do you call it? Interpolation. Anyway. YouTube URL. Let's take that slash up. YouTube username. It's going to be me. Is that the username I want? It must be this, right? Let's try this. An async function. Wait this, and then data equals response.json. See if we get this back. do this? No. I need to do this. I want to kind of cheat here. Oh, it's the wrong. I always get ifs wrong. There we go. Wonder if this. Let's bring this up a little bit. Okay, let's go here. I'm just gonna call it in here actually. What am I doing? Get latest video. That. Promise Any has no call signatures. And data. Oh, let's remove the FE. Failed to fetch. YouTube. Why did you fail to fetch? Type error, failed to fetch. Where's the network? Okay, so I'm not sending an API key at the moment. Quick starts, server-side web apps. Shouldn't need access tokens. I'm sure I saw here. Symbol. Yeah, see, that's doing it through authentication, but I want to do it through API key. Get auth credentials. Let's check this. What am I currently calling? YouTube.channels.lists. I think I'm calling this. No filter selected. I'm gonna come back to that. I just want to do a bit of reading first. Yeah, I'm missing a key. YouTube. Don't Google API. Oh, why is this? Got a different URL. Just replace that. I need to pass a key. And for username. Grab these, execute. I shouldn't need this. Make sure the client is loaded and sign in is complete before calling this method. So I think I should just need to authenticate. Let's grab this for just now. Authenticate and then load the client and then execute. Let's add these up here. So we have authenticate, we have load client, we have execute. And the execute function is what's going to do what we want. Load client auth 2. Don't think I need that. Google API. Return auth 2. Feels like it should be simpler. One thing I definitely need is the key. So we've got the and for username here. This key is definitely going to equal. Our YouTube token. Still failed to fetch it. Key equals undefined. Well, I need to rebuild. That's fine. Yeah. I'm just going to comment that out just now. So you earned it. Still failed to fetch. Why did it fail to fetch? Key is undefined. Just gonna disable this for a second and then check my seems fine. Huh. That's annoying. Why is that? What if I just pass that in? Just pass that in here. Still not liking that. I'm gonna try something rogue here. You can see all my chats here. Okay, right function that retrieves a JavaScript function that retrieves my YouTube channels latest. Google API, yeah, again, why is that different? Google APIs, YouTube v3. Let's grab this. So we'll say YouTube channel ID is this. Let's see. Go to the slash. Get latest video. YouTube URL slash search. That's the key. The channel ID. Max results of 1. So we've got the key here. Seems fine. I've got a lot of stuff going on here. Okay, YouTube URL slash search. The key is going to be my token. The channel ID is my channel ID, and here's the latest video part snippets. What we got? Cool. Are you not picking up my token? Again, just let me hide this a second. Let's bring this down. I'm sure all I need to do to get my token to work, yeah, loaded env from .env.local. .env.local. It's baffling. Right, let's turn this back on. Yeah, compile during build time is available on the server side. Is it because I'm not, at the time I call this, where am I at? Learning, I'm calling this in here, and the environment variable doesn't exist here yet. Static props. I think that's what it's called. Blog. Of course, I picked the one thing that doesn't require that. Dog wants to join in. Am I calling it static? On the blog page, right? Yeah, export. Yeah, let's just grab this. I'll get static props. This is going to be get latest video. Let's just see. Let's just call this latest. Props. Latest. And then in here, we can get rid of this. We'll just deconstruct our props at the minute. We'll have a latest. And in this latest video, I'm just going to do a pre here. And let's do JSON.stringify latest. Excellent. Just what I wanted. Okay, so that's a huge string. That's a good thing. That means we've actually got a response here. Remind me to add some overflow to that. Did I add that? I thought that would have wrapped. There we go. The pre-code. Okay. Let's bring this down. Sounds cool. Thank you, ChatGPT. I'm just going to close all this because I've got a lot open at the moment. So at the moment I have the learning page and I have the YouTube lit. So at the moment I have the URL, which is like the base URL. Then we have my channel ID, which we have. I'm going to get rid of this because I find it complicated. Wish that would. Can I do this? Let's see. Yeah, I thought that. I thought I could format the string. Oh well. It's not the end of the world. Okay, what am I doing here? I am hitting the search endpoint, so I'm going to try and find that. Got this. Trying the API Explorer. I'm just going to close all this, except ChatGPT. That's been really helpful. And let's get rid of this. Calling the API requires one of two things: an API key, which we now have, or provide the token. You must send an authorization token for every insert, update, and delete, which we are never going to do for the scope of this, so we're fine with that. Resource types, activities. So what did I get there? Search. So I called this search overview, which is a search result, right? Kind, etag, ID. So we've got kind, etag. There you go. So we've got this sort of stuff coming through. So that's good. However, so ChatGPT's worked out that I can call this search, but if I'm looking for, can I not just go to videos? Feels more specific. Maybe not, but. Or give me a snippet ID. Order it with date. I mean, that is going to give me the latest upload, to be fair, but. What have we got in channels? Review. That looks more like channel information. Yeah, I don't think I need that. Those channel sections. A section could feature a channel's latest uploads. This feels more specific rather than just randomly searching, right? So let's grab a channel section instead. /list. Let's try it now. v3/channel sections. One thing I'm going to do actually. I hate that that doesn't format. Just going to grab this. Do that. And we'll just keep that there, because I know this one works and I'm just going to mess about with this one now. Alright, so let's grab what we're calling channel sections. Let's get rid of this and try and build it ourselves. Channel ID. Call this method on live data and see the result. The request parameters. Part. Let's see. Require parameters. Part. Channel. Actually, don't even know if I need the key yet. We'll keep the key. And then we'll say part equals if you set part snippet, the API response will also contain all of those nested properties. Let's just grab snippet for the moment. Filters. Specify exactly one of the following parameters. and a properly authorized request. Ooh, I'm gonna try that, because if I'm passing the token, that should be hooked up. So let's try that. Mine equals true. Content partners, no, I'm not going to need that. If successful, error 400, API key was not valid. Please pass a valid API key. Okay, so there is a difference between the API token I've generated and my YouTube channel, which is weird because they're under the same. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Let's do channel ID instead. Still not valid. Now, interestingly, I don't need to pass a key. It's missing a valid API key. Huh. Alright, I'll grab that in a second. I'm gonna take a 5-minute break. I'll be back. 5-2. Alright, I'm back. Where did Okay, the API key is not valid for channel sections. This confuses me. A, because it doesn't say key is required here. Interestingly, quota cost of 1 unit. Does this have a quota impact? It doesn't. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh! What? 100 units! That's barbaric. All right. Channel sections, key. Why is that not valid? API key is invalid. So the API key is valid when I do the search. Part is snippet, ID and order. Part snippets. Just a second, right? Well, okay. Channel sections overview. Contains information about a set of videos that a channel has chosen to feature. The channel's latest uploads, most popular uploads, are videos from one or more playlists. Channel can create a maximum of 10 shelves. Okay. Returns a list of channel section resources that match the API request criteria. This is all I want. I just want the list. Uh-oh. The part snippet. The channel ID is main. Let's see what happens actually if I do this. Is main true? API key execute. 400 incompatible parameters. Now, mine is false. String is snippet. Channel ID is provided. That's given me a 200. That should be using okay. Can I see the request? Showcode. Here we go. Showcode. Curl, YouTube, Google API. Oh man, why does that keep changing? YouTube v3. Let's go. Does that make a difference? Yeah, anyway, I'll come back to this. I'm calling channel sections. I'm calling the key. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. That's embarrassing. Okay, you're still giving me this. Earnings of 500 is freaking out here. Just copying that out for just now. So we're awaiting a fetch of the YouTube URL. Let's remove that double slash. /channel sections. The key is our YouTube token, the part is the snippet, and the channel ID. The part is snippet, the channel ID is the channel ID, and the key is the API key. Hey, there we go. There we go. Oh my god, I can't believe that was what was wrong with it. Okay. Okay, I don't know why this keeps changing. Maybe they both go to the same place. Should be okay. That's in the YouTube docs, so I think I'll probably use that one. Okay, so we can now, what is this giving us? Get channel section. Channel section list response. Actually, let's go here. I thought that would actually show me the response here. It'll show me the actual page response rather than the function being called, which is annoying. Got the snippet here, we've executed it. Can I do anything with this? There we go. Here's the raw response, right? So here's the body that's coming back. Live events, completed events, single playlist, single playlist. So this should match up to live now. Oh. I think these are the shelves it's talking about. What's live streams? Live events. Completed events. It's probably going to be this, right? Is this just retrieving information about the shelf? So it'll tell me like the title and pardon me, things like that. Content details. The parameter identifies a property that contains child properties. The child properties will be included in the response. Let's try content details. YouTube channel section. It's got an E tag, an ID. Playlists is returning an array of strings. Maybe that's why it's so cheap. Deprecated HL for a channel. Yeah, I think this is just for the sections. I don't think this is actually going to give me any videos back. A list of channel sections. I don't want the live now one. I don't think I want this. I want the latest upload. Interestingly, what did ChatGPT give me? That said, it's giving me the search, the channel ID, part snippet, the latest video from the channel. So previously I streamed on Twitch and then uploaded these videos onto YouTube afterwards. However, what I'm streaming on just now counts as live. And I want to show the latest of either of these. Whichever was the last thing that I either uploaded or streamed live. It's kind of annoying that I've got two shelves that are doing the exact same thing here. Past live streams are here. Maybe I have two things. Maybe I just have like a latest video, latest live stream, and then playlists. Let's retrieve. Let's see. Update the function to retrieve the latest live stream instead. What have we got here? Here's an example of how you can modify the previous function to retrieve the latest live stream. Still using the search. Event type is live. Type video, part snippet, ID in order, match results. What? Well, a search result points to a uniquely identifiable resource like a video. It does not have its own persistent data. So, depends what I want here, right? Do I want... Do I want an image? Do I just want the thumbnail image on my page here? And then clicking that will take you through to the actual YouTube player. Or do I want an embedded player where I could actually watch the video on the site? The thing is, I think I would rather just have them go through onto my channel here. I don't think that's a bad thing. I think I would rather they go through the channel and into this environment, and there's probably a higher chance someone will probably subscribe if they're in here rather than sitting watching it on my website. That doesn't make sense. This should just act as a funnel through to YouTube. So with that in mind, I don't need specific metadata or anything like that. All I need to retrieve for the video is the URL, the title, and the thumbnail. Realistically, right? I just need this. Yeah. Get latest live stream. So I'm just going to copy this. Get latest video. And then I'm going to grab this. And just update this. Let's go back to ChatGPT. Let's go back to search. I'm going to provide the token, the channel ID. I think I need to wait this, right? So let's go back to the learning page. We have a latest video. Latest live stream. Latest video. Okay. We get latest video. Latest live. Just need to tidy this up a little bit. Props. Say video is the latest video. Live stream gonna be the latest live stream. Latest live stream first. And video. But I had to await that. Unexpected item in the bagging area. What was up with this? Unexpected token, latest live stream. strikes me as something being wrong with this. Anything useful in here? I had to await that. I thought that was a promise. What's my key? Channel ID, event type live, type video, part snippet, which results. Why are you freaking out? So that unexpected token is usually an error. Instead of it returning a response object, it's not happy about something. Yeah, it's not able to build. So we're in search here, and it is allowed the following properties. So we're on search. Our key is our token and the channel ID. Event type. Right, grab a list of live events. Event type live, part snippet, channel ID. Is that? Channel type, content owner for mine, location, max results, order, date. Good news. What's Karen news? Type video. API key. Execute. So we get a 200 here. Some nice thumbnails here. Channel title is AJAMES.DEV. Live broadcast content. Live published time. Last one was on the 28th of December. Which I think is LiveStream 7, right? Does it give me? Oh no, that's got 8. Publish that. That's weird. Why is that saying the 28th? I was originally going to stream on the 28th and I deleted the video, but I wonder if it's still lingering there. But the title is the same. I think that's why it's freaking out. here's a search result, and e-tag. I wonder actually. Let's see. HC. Let's definitely mute that. Oh no, that's the URL. Yeah. Sorry. It's got to be the video ID, right? XYV. This one. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I'm going to change this to YouTube API URL. Wait. YouTube URL. That. Interestingly, okay, so this is giving me an unexpected token. Let's fix this. I'm so bad for just jumping 3 hoops. 3 hoops down. Try to work out why this is borked. Let's see the raw JavaScript here, right? HTTP request. Search. Part snippet. Oh, let's just grab this actually. And then let's replace this. YouTube channel ID. The event type is live. The max results is 1. I want to order it by date. Type is video and the key is my YouTube key. Excellent. What have I done? Classic. I'm going to abstract that into a helper function, I think. That'll just generate the query for me. But there we go, yeah. Which means it probably was working before. Anyway. So we've got total results 1 here for the latest live stream. But for the latest video, we've actually got 34 results. Which I obviously don't want. So we're searching the list here. Event type. Done. Completed. See what comes back here. Video definition. Execute this. And let's grab everything beyond search here. this. YouTube channel ID. Event type completed, max results 1, order date. Scrap. Hate that it does that. Okay, so we should have 1 and 1 here. Total results 1. Results per page. We've got the item here. We've got the latest video. So we've got the latest live stream, the latest video, and then I want my playlists. I just had a thought there. I was thinking I could have a title up here that says whether I'm currently live or not, but given A, the huge traffic to my personal website on a daily basis, and B, how often I live stream, I was going to say offline 95% of the time, and no one's going to see it, so I'm just going to leave that. Okay, so I've got the live stream, I've got the video. Give me, let's go back to this. This search thing seems to be doing. Feels like there's a better way of doing this. Search the best endpoint. Is there a more specific endpoint with a lower, what did they call it? A lower quota cost. There's a live broadcast. Okay. Playlists. Yeah. Search. Videos. Watermarks. Video categories. I find it interesting there's not a live stream thing here. Anyway, get playlists. I'm not going to have time for channel info today, and it's not required, so I'm just going to delete that because I'm not going to have time for that today either. And I no longer need this. So I can currently get the latest video, I can get the latest live stream, and const playlists. I'm going to get playlists, which isn't going to return anything. Playlist resource represents a YouTube playlist. A playlist is a collection of videos. Interestingly, I want to see. As for the quota cost, the search and live broadcast both have a quota of 100. However, since it specifically returns information about live streams rather than all. See, that's cool, and that's what I thought, but it's not on the docs, and it's also 100 per request, so I don't feel so bad about that. If live broadcasts had been half of that, that would be one thing. Okay. Now, write a function that retrieves playlists for a YouTube channel. The response must include playlists, title, URL, and thumbnail image. So we're going to use the playlist endpoint, that makes sense. And while that writes it, I'm actually going to take a look at this because I quite like using, I just want this list. My playlists, it uses the main request. I need to look into this. That can be next time. Excuse me. Right, give me a list of everything. Let's take this off. The part. Require parameters part. Snippet? Is that going to give me everything? What's your chat? Get playlists. You're going to say, you're going to pass the key, the channel ID, the part is snippet, and the max result is 50. At the moment, I only have 2 playlists, so I'm going to whittle that down to 5. Loop through the playlist array and print the playlist title, URL, and thumbnail image to the console. That's going to give us playlist. Right, so let's grab this. Let's make this an async function. This is going to access the playlists endpoint. Part is a snippet. Max results. I'm going to say give me the. I'm going to whittle that down to 5. Right. Don't think I need to put these in order. I don't need the type. I need the key. Snippet, channel ID. I don't think I need an event type here. Channel ID, the part is snippet. I think that's all I'm going to need here. Let's see. Let's get playlists. Boom. Playlist response, total results 2. Go. Oh, and it's got the description as well. That's pretty handy. Nice. That's quite a nice place to leave it at the 2-hour mark, actually. I've got the latest live stream, the latest video I've uploaded, and then I have my playlist. So I'm going to have an image here, which is basically going to be the thumbnail. When you click through to this, it will take you to the latest live stream. This will take you to the latest uploaded video. And here's a collection of my playlists. I think I'm basically now going to be rebuilding this. That's quite the pause there. Kind of similar to this, right? I'm going to have a separator and then just build the shelves. Similar to this, actually. How's this looking? Yeah, where this is going horizontally, I'll have a vertical one. Cool. Solid start. Okay, so we created a learning page here. It's really annoying that these links update every time. Did I get them all? I think so, yeah. Okay, so what did I do? Nice. Alright, I'm just gonna finish that. Let's push it up. And let's deploy it. Cool. While that's deploying, let's do a quick recap of what we did today. This isn't going to be working now. But the first thing I did was actually, let's go into here. The first thing I did was create a bit of accountability here and created so you want to update your website. Unlike personal blog, just so it appears on the website. And here's a list of things that I want to do here. Today we worked on this, but I don't think we completed it because we don't have the links off to the channel and all of that sort of stuff. So we got the initial YouTube API set up, and we're able to retrieve our latest video from the channel, our latest playlist from the channel, and a collection of the channel's playlists. So that's a good one. And we've built the route for this and things like that. So alongside creating this to-do list, we also built out this, where we now have a learning route. Here we've got some information about the latest live stream, here's the latest video, and here's the playlists. Next session will be completing that checkbox. So next session will actually be turning this into the thumbnail image, which will have a link, and clicking this will take you through to the YouTube channel. Same for here. And then the playlists will display a collection of playlists and similar sort of thing. Clicking it will take you through onto the channel. And I will also add a subscribe CTA somewhere on this page, not decided where. But cool, that looks like it's deployed. So if we go to AJAMES.DEV, we have a nice flash of unstyled content, which bugs decided to do. Let's just add that in. So now we have our blog, and if we go to personal, we can now read this and we can now see what I'm looking to do here. And we also added in this learning tab, which is showing the latest live stream, the latest video, and a collection of playlists. And that will do for today. So thank you for watching, and I will catch you next time where we will finish this off. Cheers.